Hi everyone. Today I will explain how we have used TOFEI application for TOFEI compliance assessment. Then we need to click on TOFEI app tab. Select respective state. If you select Karnataka, then all form are in Kannada language. If you select Odia, then Odisha, then all forms are in Odia language. Or if you select other or Himachal, then forms are in English or Hindi language. Then I can select other option. Then click on proceed. Okay. Then you need to enter username and password. And after that, click on login button. Okay, once username and password is correct, you direct to the home page. In home screen, you can see 5 tabs. First is TOFEI assessment tab. Second is report tab. Second is violation reporting section tab. Fourth is certificate tab, and fifth is feedback tab. In feedback tab, you can just select feedback type and give your feedback. In violation reporting tab, user can use to report the violation. In this, you need to enter your mobile number, address, and violation type. Section 4 violation, Section 6A violation, Section 6B violation, 5 and 7. And capture image. And then click on submit button. You click on report tab, then you can check the report of your respective school which you have already done the assessment. And click on view button, you can see the criteria wise score of your school. Or in certificate section, if your school score total score is getting equal to 90 out of 100 during self declaration, then you can download your provisional certificate by clicking on the provisional. Or once your submit information is verified by district nodal officer or district education officer, then you can also download approved certificate. Now for TOFEI assessment, then you need to click on TOFEI assessment tab. Once you click on TOFEI assessment tab, there is state name is autofilled, district name is autofilled, ward number is autofilled if already entered, UDAS number is autofilled, institute name is autofilled. Or if you think it is, if you also you change or update this information, and then select education type is a education institution is a government, public, central government, state government, or private school or college, or any other education institution. Like I have select private school. Then contact number, contact of the person who done the assessment, email ID. In this you can receive the you have received the TOFEI compliance assessment details once assessment is completed, and name of evaluator. Like I have done the assessment and I have entered my name. After everything is entered, you need to click on next button. Then first activity, the first question, display of tobacco-free area signage inside the premises of educational institutions at all prominent places. tobacco-free signage आपके शिक्षा संस्थान के प्रमुख स्थानों पर तंबाकू मुक्त परिसर के बोर्ड प्रदर्शित किए गए हैं. If yes, then you need to select yes, and click on capture button, capture picture. Once you click, you need to capture a picture. Currently I have done assessment for demo, so I can just click on demo picture. Okay, then click on next button. 1B activity part is the name, designation, contact number are mentioned or updated in the signage. Yes, there is 3 options. Yes, if in the same board. Yes, if in the different board, or no. So I assume this all information is same board. Then I select first option. Yes, if in the same board, and click next button. Then next is two-way activity. This display of tobacco-free education institution signage at entrance boundary wall of education institution. शिक्षण संस्थान के प्रवेश द्वार बाउंड्री वॉल पर तंबाकू मुक्त शिक्षण संस्थान का बोर्ड प्रदर्शित किया गया है. इफ यस, अगर हाँ ऐसा है, देन select yes and you need to capture image of that board. Click on capture image button and again click on board. Then make sure you have click correct board image and then click on next button. Then 2B option, the name, designation, contact number are mentioned updated in the signage. नाम, पदनाम, संपर्क सूत्र सम्मिलित करते हुए साइनेज का प्रदर्शन किया गया है. वेटेज. देयर स्टिल 3 ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट यस इफ इन द सेम बोर्ड, अगर ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन उसी बोर्ड सेम बोर्ड में ही है. सेकेंड ऑप्शन यस इफ इन द डिफरेंट बोर्ड, अगर दिस 3 इन्फॉर्मेशन नेम, डेजिग्नेशन एंड कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर आर इन मेंशन इन डिफरेंट बोर्ड. और थर्ड इज नो. तो आई सेलेक्ट फर्स्ट. आई एज्यूम कि दिस 3 इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो display in same board. Yes, and then click next button. Then third criteria, no evidence of use of tobacco product inside the premises, that is cigarette, BD butts or discarded gutka, tobacco pouches, spitting sports. तंबाकू उपयोग करने के प्रांगण नहीं, जैसे कि सिगरेट, बीड़ी के टुकड़े अथवा गुटखा, तंबाकू के पाउच, थूक के धब्बे का नहीं पाया जाना. यस इफ नो टोबैको लिटर इन EI, अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई इस तरह के सब्सटेंसेस टोबैको प्रोडक्ट सब्सटेंसेस नहीं मिलते हैं, देन सेलेक्ट यस. नो इफ देयर इज टोबैको लिटर, अगर आप इफ यू फाउंड इट कि स्पिटिंग स्पॉट इन एनी एरिया इन योर स्कूल और सिगरेट बट और पाउचेस, देन यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट नो ऑप्शन और कैप्चर दैट area, image of that area. Currently I select yes if not tobacco litter is EI, then click on next button. Then fourth, poster or other awareness material on harms of tobacco display in the premises. This is the fourth criteria कि परिसर में तंबाकू के हानिकारक प्रभावों के संबंध में पोस्टर व अन्य जागरूकता सामग्री प्रदर्शन किया गया है. If yes, then you need to click or capture the image of that posters. And click next button. Fifth है organization of at least one tobacco control activity during last 6 months. कि विगत 6 महीने में तंबाकू नियंत्रण संबंधी कम से कम एक गतिविधि का आयोजन किया हो. द टोबैको कंट्रोल एक्टिविटी शुड बी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग पोस्टर, स्लोगन, essay debate और क्विज कंपटीशन ऑन टोबैको, A best poster slogan can be displayed at prominent place to encourage the student. Street play, skate rallies can be organized on a specific day like World No Tobacco Day, World Cancer Day, or any other day. Photograph of activities should be taken of the record, and then, or you can also share it to social media account, or also display in your notice board. Or you can also engage local health expert and law enforcer may also be invited during the assembly or other program to make students aware about the tobacco, manic and related laws. These are activities. So if you have organized this, click yes and capture photo of that activities. And click on next button. The next indicator is criteria 6, designation of tobacco monitor and their name, designation and contact number are mentioned on the signage. Okay. इसमें कि साइनेज में तंबाकू मॉनिटर का नाम, पदनाम और संपर्क सूत्र लिखा होना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा है तो यस क्लिक करना है और उस साइनेज की फोटो क्लिक करनी है. In every educational institution, tobacco monitor have to be nominated among teachers, staff members, or few tobacco monitor can also be nominated among the students. So then you can click on capture picture and click signage of that. और मेक श्योर कि आप जो साइंस की पिक्चर क्लिक करें उसमें नेम ऑफ टोबैको मॉनिटर, उस डेजिग्नेशन एंड कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर क्लियरली मेंशन हो. देन क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट बटन. नेक्स्ट. देन नेक्स्ट इज 7th criteria, inclusion of no tobacco use norms in the EI code of conduct guideline. तंबाकू उपयोग न करने के नो टोबैको यूज आचार संहिता नीतियाँ शिक्षण संस्थान की आचार संहिता में सम्मिलित हो. अगर हैं देन यस करना, नहीं तो नो करना है. देयर सम सैम्पल लाइक यूज ऑफ एनी टोबैको प्रोडक्ट इज स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड इन द कैंपस, vehicle or event of the education institution. A tobacco product and smoking ad like matchstick lighters are prohibited in the school premises. Or advertisement promotion of tobacco product is not permissible in the campus, event and publication of the education institutions. These are some sample of code of conduct. So I can select yes and click next button. Then 8th is marking of 100-yard area from the other limit of boundary wall fence of the education institution. शिक्षा संस्थान के बाउंड्री वॉल के बाहरी भाग में 100 गज के दायरे में पीली लाइन का चिन्हीकरण किया गया हो. अगर किया गया है यस, येलो लाइन, देन सेलेक्ट यस एंड कैप्चर दैट लाइन्स इमेज which also show your integrate of school. And click next. The 9th criteria, no shop selling tobacco product within 100 yard of the educational institution. कि शिक्षण संस्थान के 100 गज के दायरे में तंबाकू उत्पादों की दुकान नहीं होना. कि मेक श्योर कि आपके स्कूल के नियर अबाउट कोई भी टोबैको शॉप ना हो. इसमें हम कोई पिक्चर नहीं ले रहे हैं, जस्ट वी आस्क यस देयर आर नो टोबैको सेलिंग शॉप और नो इफ देयर आर टोबैको सेलिंग शॉप. आई एज्यूम कि देयर इज नो टोबैको सेलिंग शॉप, तो आई सेलेक्ट यस and click next. Once all once you have done all 9 indicators assessment in a respective education institution, then click on next button. So it automatically calculate the score. If score is greater than equal to 90, then congratulations message screen is show. In this all of message, this is to declare that your school name, block, district, state education institution has completed all the criteria given under the tobacco free education institution TOFI guidelines issued by MOH Government of India. Then you can click view button, view certificate button, or you direct to the certificate page. So there you can download your provisional certificate, or you also go to report section, select financial year, and you also check your score. I hope this video is helpful to all of the users. मुझे आशा है कि ये वीडियो सभी को पसंद आएगी और उनको समझ में आए कैसे आपको टॉफ़ी ऐप यूज़ करना है टॉफ़ी कंप्लायंस असेसमेंट के लिए इन योर रिस्पेक्टिव एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन, स्कूल, कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटीज़. You can also go to this section, report, certificate, feedback. Okay. For violation reporting, also I have done example for this. Click on violation reporting tab. In this same state and district are auto populated, or you can also change it. Enter complaint contact number अपना अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो you can just mention your mobile number. Then enter address of the area or shop. एंड वायलेशन टाइप किस तरह का वायलेशन है. सेक्शन 4 का है कि कोई स्मोकिंग प्लेस में स्मोकिंग कर रहा है, या सेक्शन 6A का है कि सेल ऑफ टोबैको टू बाय हिम माइनर, या सेक्शन 6B का सेल विद 100 यार्ड ऑफ योर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन, और इनडायरेक्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट है. तो अब 6B मोस्टली फोकस क्योंकि आप स्कूल के नियर अबाउट होंगे तो 6B का मोस्टली आता है. देन क्लिक ऑन कैप्चर. वंस यू क्लिक देन यू ऑल्सो क्लिक image of that violation. Currently I have clicked a demo image, so okay, select and then click on submit. Violation reported, submit. Okay, once you have done violation reporting, your district nodal officer can view this with this violation reporting and they can take necessary action. Okay, and in next video I can explain how to we have implement tobacco free education institutions guideline in their respective education institutions, or what we have, what actions, what type of signages required, what activity we have done. I have mentioned in upcoming video. So make sure you can subscribe my channel so you can also get notification if I have uploaded any new video regarding tobacco education digital tool. Thanks for all of you watching my video.